Hi guys, good morning. So tomorrow I am going to Kohadi and I still haven't packed. So very me. I don't know why I was putting it off, but I was apparently. So it's 6. It's not 6. So it's 8 o'clock right now, and I've separated the clothes that I want to take with me. Except I'm going to try them on and create the looks before I go. If I do not, then I'll just end up with, separates that do not go together. I seriously don't want that to happen. So here's my morning tea, and I'm enjoying it at my balcony. I love this space. By the way, I bought 2 new pillows recently, and I think it looks better now, right? And I've ordered new cushions, but the ones I ordered, I had to return the ones that came, and I ordered from Amazon because it was really bad. But these are really old cushions, but the cushion covers are new. They are from hometown, and I kind of really dig the textures on them. So I went and got these gloves from the nearest departmental store I have, and I'm going to use the ice mop on my hair to tone it down because it looks a little too yellow. So it had silver, but it kind of washed away because these are all semi-permanent colors, so it lasts like 5 to 6 washes. These fit me pretty nicely. So the first step is, well, I saw Brand Wonder's video yesterday on how to, color your hair and not fuck it up completely. And he said, brush your hair. So, doing that first. So I'm just gonna section it out. But I won't mind if I don't put color on the bottom actually, because I like this color. I just don't like the yellow on top. So this is where I'm going to concentrate the color on. I'm going in with Ice Mop from Crazy Colors. Hope this works. Because I've been using blue shampoo, and blue shampoo does not tone your hair. Brad Mondo's video kind of enlightened me where I was going wrong. I thought that was kind of depositing color, but it kind of just keeps your color, like it kind of helps maintain the color instead. And then I'll do 2 strands of purple in front, but maybe I can do it later when I come back and this color fades away. And this is a lighter shade anyway. The other 2 shades I bought are lavender and candy floss. They're a little darker than this, so I can definitely go in with that. Yesterday I experimented with that. Okay, I am doing it right, I'm not sure. And he also said if you're coloring your hair, you should like comb through to make sure it goes through every strand, and you kind of coat every strand. It's very light. I don't think it will, make too much of a difference. But at least it'll be, not this yellow. This yellow is something I'm not currently digging at all. This is my makeshift a shower cap because I don't have one, but I don't want the heat to escape and become completely dry, hence I've put this. Again, a Brad Mondo tip which I am following, and in the meantime I'm gonna have my lunch, wait for half an hour and wash it out. Basically no difference at all. I'm gonna go out there and say not much of a difference at all, since the top portion is pretty much a 7 and 8, like in between 7 and 8. So I'm gonna come back, do lavender on top and pink nature. So this is the first outfit that I'm gonna pack. It's all black, it's a pretty blouse, and I just need a warm thingy with it. I think this is a look. This definitely looks better, but it will look really good with white shoes, but I don't have white. I'm not gonna take that many shoes. So this is one look, I'm guessing. So I'm taking this jacket, I'm gonna style it with another look. Yes, Gogo. What, baby? What do you want? What? What? So this ensemble tracksuit is another look, and this furry one is, I really want to take this. Let's see if it's too heavy, but I just need 5 looks, actually 6. I'm gonna wear one. So I'm gonna wear these shoes, and what do you think? But I kind of dig this jacket more with this. I'd love to take the black one, but that's a really floofy jacket, and I don't know, I don't want to take that one. I want to take the brown one. So there is no one there, Gogo. Like literally no one. I think this is gonna be my airport look tomorrow. Like, I totally dig this look, and it has like a very bulky this will protect my hair from the seat. I don't want my hair to touch the seat, and it can act like my cushion thingy also, because it has like a, so it'll act like a neck cushion because it has like a thick spongy part. I really want to take this one. So I'm finally using the sugar stack. I have put down my name and stuff here. Who wants to go with me? Okay, let's go. There's more Fuji. Fuji food in my bag. So I'm almost done. I just have to put the makeup. I have put all my skincare stuff here. but Tutu is securely sitting on it. So I'm gonna check in both these bags and then I'm gonna carry. So I am finally done with packing last minute and it is 12:25. Wow. Anyways, I'm gonna carry this weight thingy because if I want to buy something, I would want to check that my total luggage is within the limit. Pretty handy. Almost everything is ready. I'm gonna wake up at 4:30 and I have to head for the airport because I can't book the cab right now. Apparently, I can't schedule it. I'm a fucking gateway. Wait, pathway. Buddy's giving me company. Buddy. Weirdly, I'm not sleepy at all. It's hard. Maybe I am a little sleepy, or the green tea just fucked up my sleep. Not a very good idea. Well, I'm not sleepy at all, so I'm gonna do my night skincare routine, which I should have done, but I missed it. Since I did, I'm gonna do it now. Completely unsponsored, completely bought by me. I love this range from Dot & Key. It's the Time Reverse Retinol Serum. I do not know the percentage of retinol in it, but I kind of like it. I wanted to try different retinols. The one I had tried before from Dr. Seth was good for beginners, but I can use something like my skin is used to. Yeah, thank you, Tutu. Is used to using something which is more than 2%. So, hello, Missy. So, I prefer something a little more intense. Then I'm going with the same range, Dot & Key Depuffing Eye Cream Concentrate. I do not really have puffy eyes. My favorite eye cream is Dr. Seth's eye cream, which has quinoa and hyaluronic acid, and fuck, that's awesome. But then I wanted to try something new, and this was on offer, and I got this for free with it. It's the Green Screen Skin Detox Smoothie Cream with 20 SPF, and it smells divine. Like, can't even tell you how good it smells. And with that, I have kept my night cream in my bag, so I can't use that. So I'm gonna improvise. I really like this range's this one I finished the same range, night reset retinol ceramide. I finished the whole bottle and I really like the cream, but I've already finished it, so I'm trying something new. Nah, I'm gonna go with something I used to use before. Green tea McCaffeine night gel. This it's like using it does not have any special benefits, so it's like there. It kind of dries it down, so I prefer like a little intense moisturizer. Though I have oily skin, it gets really dry in winter. course, we can't forget lips. I'm using the one which I got in PR. This is the pepper mojito. Kind of smell. It has the peppermint flavor. I love the packaging. It is so cute. And we are done. What I plan to do is not go to sleep. Instead, since I have to wake up at 4:30 and it is past 1, staying up watching Lupin, probably. Really liking that series. It's a limited series on Netflix. I just watch that and then start getting ready. That's it for the vlog. See you in Guwahati. I am not gonna force you to like and subscribe, but if you do like the video, hit the thumbs up button. If you have some thoughts, just put in a comment. It's just gonna help me out. Bye guys. Love you.